Hey, party people, on Saturday, we're going to open box 9. Box 9 of the Countdown to Christmas, Jenny's Countdown to Christmas Celebration 2023. Box 9. So let's hurry. See what's in this box. Let's see what Jenny says. What does Jenny say? And what's she wearing today? That's always something exciting to see.
Good morning, everybody. It is time for day 9. So let's see what we have today.
She got a cuddle. Oh, a pretty cuddle look about this.
I don't know about you, but I'm really enjoying this journey. Here's day 9, and it's a box. All right, let's see what's in our box. Oh, yes, you guys are going to love this. So let me just unwrap it so you can see. This is a chargeable, bendable light to clip on your sewing machine so that you can see better. So, you know, as we get older, this happens, and we have to use these, and we need better light. Even this guy has glasses on, and so this is bendable. It has 2 levels of brightness, and it's just perfect. You can aim it right down, like when you're threading a needle. It's the perfect thing. And so it is chargeable with a charging cord, and it will stay charged for a while. So I hope you enjoyed today's gift, day 9, and
yes,
I hope
ma'am.
it helps
I
you
do.
see the light.
I see the light. Now this is great. This is great. Because everybody knows, anybody who sews, I don't care if you're quilting, if you're just sewing, you always, always, always need the light. Lord Jesus, we need the light. Oh, and look, that's where you charge it, and then it has, oh, mercy, if I might have to get the magnifying glasses. I think I'm going to have to go up. I'm going to have to go to a 2. Oh, Lord. I'm going to have to get my little magnifying thing to see what it says. But this is, oh my gosh, this is amazing. And it's just going to clip on whatever, super easy. And this is, you could bend it with one finger, but it's staying though. So it's not like something that's going to be hard to move around. You want to get it under there. You want to get it over here. You want to get it under here. That, couldn't ask for a better gift than this. This is truly unexpected and truly awesome, I will have to say. I am super excited about this. Y'all let me know what you think down below. And on that note, we'll see you tomorrow. Y'all have a great weekend. Have a great Sunday and a rest of your Saturday. All right, we'll see you later. Bye.